Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and today I'm going to be talking about Tu Bishvat. What is it? How do we celebrate? And of course, what do we eat? If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos all year long on all of the Jewish holidays and how to celebrate them with your families. Tu Bishvat is the birthday for trees. It's kind of like Jewish Earth Day. It is also a celebration of spring. It doesn't quite feel like spring where I am. This holiday tends to be celebrated in like January or February, but in Israel, it's around the time when the almond trees are starting to bloom. And so we start to thank trees for everything that they do for us. We celebrate often by having a Tu Bishvat Seder. I have some Tu Bishvat Seder plates here, and I have a video for you on how to make your own. At the Seder, we say blessings for the fruits and nuts that trees give to us. We think about how trees create shade and lumber and habitats for animals. Also part of the Seder, we drink 4 cups of wine or grape juice, and they're of varying colors. So the first one is white grape juice, symbolizing winter, and then the next one has a little bit of red, and then the next one is red with a little bit of white, and the last one is all red, symbolizing that transition into spring. There are many other ways to celebrate this holiday in your home. I have a video of some activities for your little ones as well, but they include reevaluating your relationship to the earth and trying to be more eco-friendly. Planting trees, of course, is a tradition on this holiday all about trees. Planting trees in Israel, whether physically or monetarily, is a very traditional way of supporting the state of Israel and their ecology there. And then for eating, we eat things that grow from trees. So during part of the Seder, there's actually 3 Seder plates and 3 types of fruit that we focus on. Fruits that are hard on the outside, soft on the inside, like a banana or an orange. Fruits that are soft on the outside but have a pit in the middle, like dates or apricots or cherries. And then fruits that you can eat the whole thing. Actually, pears and apples technically fall into that category. I would say strawberries, those don't grow on trees. Maybe that one's a little trickier. I'll have to think about it. The other part of this holiday is eating something you've never tried before. So I would very much encourage you to go exploring, especially the ethnic markets in your area. If there's like an Asian market or international market, they very often have amazing fruits that you have never seen or never tried, or your kids have never tried, and it's worth an explore as far as that's concerned. So guys, that is the basics of Tu Bishvat. So go try some carob. Check out the links that I have in the box below to all of my other Tu Bishvat videos. Don't forget to subscribe, sign up for my email newsletter, follow me on social media, Everyday Jewish Mom. Oh, and here are links for those videos right now.